Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. For today's project, we are making glam ornaments for your Christmas tree. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For today's DIY, it's going to be quick, simple, and easy. All the materials that you need will be listed in the description bar below this video. So we picked up several ornaments at the Dollar Tree. So right now what we are doing is just trying to get the paint evenly throughout the bowl. So it will take a little hand work and a little shaking and a little tapping to get that paint evenly throughout that ornament. As you're shaking your bulb, you want to apply a piece of paper over the entry part of your bulb. Sometimes your thumb won't be correctly over the entry part of the bulb and you can get paint all over the place. So just make sure you have some type of material paper as you're shaking it so you can avoid that mistake. This particular project, dry time would be about a day. But we are just, for time's sake, we are just quickly decorating it for you. But if you want it to dry correctly, then you give it about a day so that it can dry without streaking or smudging. This is the fun part. We are decorating using a Rhinestone Embroidery, and we picked it up at the Hobby Lobby. We use this embroidery. It's so pretty. On one of our vanity trays that we did a few months back. We do love this embroidery, and they have a few different embroideries. Like they have a heart and they have a flower and some other things. So if you don't care for the embroidery though, you can use whatever you choose to use on your ornament. And to top it off for the center, we are going to use a Totally Dazzled brooch. She has absolutely beautiful brooches. Make sure you go by her website and check it out. We will leave a link to her website in our description bar below this video. For time's sake, for the next two bulbs, we did paint off camera, and we're just going to decorate and design the bulbs. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below. Let us know what your favorite ornament was and if you would be making these same ornaments. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.